10.1g. Let's have a look. This question we started to have a look different trigonometric functions, ratios, relations. Here we have a sine function and ask you to find the values of the cosine and tangent theta. And told you that theta lies in which quadrants. So here, which quadrant of the theta lies in? Yeah, is a quadrant 3. Okay, in the quadrant 3, remember sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. What are the signs of these three functions? Yeah, you remember this one is negative, right? This one negative, and this one is positive, right? So let's see. Now here in usual, we can put or we can draft a graph here. Okay, in the quadrant 3, so maybe here. Okay, point at this. This one is a theta. Okay, and point P, OP. And you know that this function negative 11 over 61. So this one 11. 61, that means is the length of this, right? And 11 should take negative sign because this one is y coordinates of the point P, and we don't know the values of the x coordinates. So you can write like this. Then let OP be the terminal sign of theta, where the coordinates of P are a negative 11. Okay, so I can solve this one easily. A squared plus negative 11 squared equals to 61 squared. So you found that this one a equals to 60 or a equals to negative 60. This time, which value should reject it? Remember, this one lies in the quadrant 3. Quadrant 3. Okay, quadrant 3. So what is the value of A? That means x coordinates. Yeah, you're right. This one is correct. Reject the positive one because lies in the quadrant 3, coordinates of x and y both are negative values. So finally, cosine theta equals to negative 60 over 61, and tangent theta equals to y over x. So it should be 11 over 60. Okay, this is one of a method that you can use, and I will teach you method 2 by using a right angular triangle. Let's see. Method 2. Now you know that sine theta equals to negative 11 over 61, where theta lies in 180 to 270. Okay, so this one, you think that, okay, we can use right angular triangle? Yeah, and this one, please pay attention. We need to use another symbol, alpha. Then I say that let alpha be the reference angle. of theta. Reference angle in Chinese 參考角 okay, this one reference angle 參考角 okay, so sine alpha equals to 11 over 61. That means I pick this one as 11, this one as 61. That means A, B, C. I put it like this. Okay. Then if you know that, or if you rewrite this one by using alpha be the reference angle of theta, sine alpha equals to 11 over 61, right? Then what's next? You need to find the length of BC. So let's have a look. Now AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so 61 square equals to BC square plus 11 square. So BC, you found that equals to 60, or BC equals to negative 60. Because this time we are now using a right angled triangle, so don't use this one because it's a right angled triangle. However, you need to memorize by yourself. Since theta lies in quadrant 3, that means cosine is negative and tangent theta is positive. So cosine theta equals to negative 60 over 61, and tangent theta equals to 11 over 60. Okay, so let's see. Method 1, mainly we make use of a rectangular coordinate plane and we write OP as a terminal sign, and you see that here P to write as in coordinates A negative 11 by given the sign ratio negative 11 over 61. So as a result, find the value of A, and remember A is x coordinates, so it depends on the region or the quadrant that's theta lies in. Now quadrant 3, so coordinates of x should be negative sign. As a result, you can find cosine theta and tangent theta by definition. X over R and then Y over X. Second method, by using right angled triangle, and we need to make use of the given ratios here, given sine function, and I let alpha be the reference angle 參考角 of theta. So sine alpha equals to 11 over 61. Using the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of BC. So if you find the length of BC, then keep this one as positive. And determine by yourself. Theta lies in quadrant 3. So cosine is negative and tangent is positive. So write down the correct answer. Cosine theta equals to 60 over 61, but lies in quadrant 3, so it's negative 60 over 61. And tangent theta, 11 over 60. 11 over 60. Okay?